Good morning, this is Dave Halberstadt, and I want to talk to you about Module 8. The reading for Module 8 is chapters 12 and 13. The module is focused on distinguishing between mandatory and voluntary benefits. One change I have made in Module 8 is I have eliminated Part 2 of 3 discussion board question and substituted for Part 2 of 3 a discussion board question on the HR scoreboard. You'll recall in Module 3, we had an article on the HR scoreboard, and I posed a question to you about that. Well, this is kind of showing you how you implement an HR scoreboard. I'm asking you to choose a strategic objective in the format that I provide for you to use. There's also an example of what I'm looking for in the format, in the scoreboard format. And besides choosing the objective, choose an HR activity or what I call a deliverable that will help the organization achieve that strategic objective, discuss the impact of the strategic objective on the organization, and then in the last column on the scoreboard, how would you measure it? Remember the adage, if it isn't measurable, it's not worth doing because you can't prove you did it if it can't be measured. So I want you to complete that discussion board questions, part 2 of 3. The first question is based on the reading, chapters 10 and 11, or chapters 12 and 13. And the last one is your peer review. The first two discussion board questions, please get in by Wednesday, March 2nd. And then your peer review can be by Friday, March 5th. I believe that's correct. Yeah, it is. March 5th, Friday. So that's pretty much it for Module 8. Don't forget to look at the practice test at the end of Module 8. That's good prep for the final, which is in the next 2 weeks. In Module 10 will be your final. That's the major activity for that week. And I don't think there's anything else that I want to talk about right now. Because this HR scoreboard is a new activity, and the reading has talked about strategic objectives, measurable activities, how HR can help achieve those strategic objectives. But we haven't all put it together in one neat chapter. So if you have questions about what I'm asking in discussion board question 2 out of 3, please give me a call or send me an email, and I'll be happy to help you with it in any way I can. Okay, have a great week, and I hope things are going well for you.